Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna add numbers, subtract numbers and multiply under Python in Python. Let's start. First you have to open Python and take one of your numbers, like I choose 19, and what you want to put, plus or minus. I choose plus, then I put 5 and the answer is 24, like that. It's like our calculators. Now we write, if you're thinking if we choose bigger number it wouldn't answer, like I put anything, minus, oh sorry, and oh sorry, enter. This would be the answer. As you know, that's the Python got the right. This is the answer, and now we are gonna multiply them first, then we are gonna divide. Let's take 42 multiply by 2. The answer would be 84, like that. 40 into 2 equals to, answer is 84. It's like the calculator I just told you. Like if we minus, it will count as a calculator. Now we choose, let's choose 67 divide 2. The answer is 33.5. It shows like this. I am gonna show it to you. I'm gonna just write that number. There you go, 33.5. And this is for the today's video. I'm gonna tell you how to get out the reminders and the things. So I'll meet you in the next video.